1940s interior home design. In this 1946 kitchen design, linoleum is the star since it is from a publication called Portfolio of Room Interiors, produced by Armstrong World Industries Inc. 3 types of linoleum are combined to form this floor. This uniquely designed kitchen works off of an oval shape to facilitate workflow. Sink, stove, and refrigerator are all within easy reach. Base cabinet open shelves help the cook locate and retrieve pans. Shades on the right side pull together to close off and hide part of the kitchen. In this kitchen, linoleum is used not just for the flooring, but for the sinks around and countertops. Rarely is linoleum found on kitchen countertops, even in the 1940s. Yet the designer noted that linoleum here would be clatterproof, easy to clean, and resistant to stain. Even the scallop swags near the ceiling were cut from linoleum. This bathroom from 1946 has been done in a colonial style with knotty pine, scallops, and shaker-inspired fabrics. Knotty pine was often used in kitchens at the time, but was not often found as an element in bathrooms. The rectangle to the very left of the picture, right above the magazine rack, is a medicine cabinet. This 1940s bathroom is the epitome of modern and sophisticated. It is a Hollywood Regency, or Regency Moderne, style made on the cheap with linoleum flooring and other inexpensive materials. This 1940s dining room style is up for interpretation. The crenellated, appliqued gold pattern along the tablecloth has a definite Grecian flavor. Yet the room designer calls this crenellation a Chinese fret design. In any case, this dining room's purple on gold bold color scheme catches the eye and makes for lively conversation. The custom linoleum lets us know the bedroom belongs to none other than Tom, Dick, and Larry. At that time, it was possible to order customized linoleum flooring with special nameplate inserts from the Armstrong factory. In a period when books frequently line the walls of homes, this 1940s home has a solid wall of books along the staircase. It's a classic look with bright, bold statement splashes of red against blue that help catch visitors' attention the very moment they enter the home. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.